parents decided that they were going to downsize, it was probably a pretty big decision for them.
Yes, it was huge.
And it probably caused some emotional stress for you too.
It freaked me out. I went online and started searching organizers and found your website and went through the whole website and decided that you were the people that we had to call when they finally decided to move.
Right.
And then the realtor recommended your company as well. So I didn't have to say, okay, Mom, I already found the right company. We couldn't do it just the two of us. There was so much.
Well, and it's amazing how in a large house it accumulates, but you don't realize it has accumulated.
Well, it was all really well organized.
Yes, exactly. And most people's houses are organized to a point where, you know, everything is, well, we've got a spot here and this is where this is and this is where that is. But then when you downsize and you are limiting the space that you're coming into, it's kind of like, what do I do with all that stuff that's not going to fit?
Yes.
Now, being a child of the downsizees, there was a little bit of, I'll take that.
Oh, yeah. Yes, I have things at my house that are from my parents, definitely. I furnished a room in my basement from my parents because otherwise the stuff was going to Goodwill.
Okay.
And I'm thrilled about that because then I didn't have to part with so much stuff.
Yeah, it made it a little bit easier.
It made it a lot easier for me.
Now, being a child of a generation of parents that are starting to downsize, what would be your recommendation or what would your thoughts be to anybody else as a sibling or as a child that their parents are thinking about downsizing? Any comments or suggestions you might have?
For me, it was a lot easier to be present while you guys were there and to watch the process happen rather than walk in and see the end result. I needed to be there while it was done, not because I needed to be in control or be in charge or tell them what to do. I just needed to see it happen because I needed to say goodbye to things the same way they did.
Mm-hmm.
And being there while you guys were there made that a lot easier. And you guys didn't mind if I cried.
And the move day, how was that for you?
That was fantastic because I was concerned about what my parents would do and how stressful it would be for them move day because I've moved like 10 times. I know how hard move day is. Mm-hmm. And I was concerned about how stressful move day would be for them and how it would end up in terms of, you know, them having stuff in the kitchen so they could make breakfast and them having a made bed to get into at night. And then all of a sudden, I didn't have to think about it. It was taken care of, and that was brilliant.
Is there any suggestions that you could make to people that they just can't take it all?
You can't keep everything, and you don't miss it. Once it's gone, you don't miss it.